So yeah, welcome people into another episode of Raw, Real and Wise podcast. So let's discuss something about how can we trick our brain into more productivity. Like how can we do more by understanding our mind. See, your brain is not really on your side. Your brain do not want you to really work on the things that you want to work, that you must do or must work on. Well, it's in a primal and basic way. Like eat, sleep, rest, stay dry, and avoid scary things. That's all what your brain wants. Like your brain will certainly do its best to keep you alive and breathing, and not let you die so easily. So it keeps you away from doing what you want. And like our brain are programmed for speed and urgency, and this leaves us a lot of desire to be actual goals these days. Like our brain is designed for like speed and quick urgency things to save us from like in older times what humans scare from like animal or any or some other kinds of beasts, etc., that may kill you. that kind of that kind of things our brain scares and keeps us away and avoid and to preserve our energy for more, because the food was also a major factor in older times. So yeah, but here comes the most important part. Our brains are programmed for speed and urgency, and the hardware of our brain is current, but the software has not updated in a few thousand years. Our brain biological system that's not developed for like meal from human race beginning. It's this. It works on the same basis and principle which it works like earlier. So this affects in our everyday lives. Like we have phobias, emotional spikes, lack of self-control, fight or flight instances, and to name other few like these surprisingly. And it's particularly true when we talk about productivity and procrastination. Like studies have shown that our brains have 9 specific tendencies that lead us to like watching TV, browsing social media instead of any productive activity. This struggle with procrastination you have many times in your life. To come up with a solution for your lazy tendencies, let's first understand how these specific problems are and how our brain trick us to not let the work to be like not let our work to be done at time. So our brains give us excuses in these terms, like first inhibition, that may that see I don't feel working right now, I will do it later on, मैं बाद में करूँगा अपना काम, अभी मुझे इतना ज़रूरी, अभी कुछ और कर लेता हूँ ना, अभी कुछ खा लेता हूँ, कुछ मूवी वगैरह देख लेता हूँ, थोड़ी देर रील्स कॉल कर लेता हूँ, like this. And self monitoring, that I not paying attention to what I'm doing right now, I have no idea where the time went, कि मुझे पता ही नहीं समय कहाँ चला गया, बस ऐसे ही कुछ भी करे करे जा रहा हूँ मैं, एक तरीके से बेचैनी बना हुआ हूँ, जो सामने आ रहा है बस मैं अपने किए जा रहा हूँ. दैट इज सेल्फ मॉनिटरिंग. And third is planning and organization. Just like I would not plan when I will do at X, I will just take care of it sometime later. कि अभी मुझे ज़रूरी नहीं समझते इस काम को, अपने बाद में कर लेंगे. Activity shifting, like I just finished X, take a break for not planning for anything else now. like मैंने इतना कर लिया है, अभी मुझे 5-10 मिनट शॉर्ट्स देखनी है. In reality that goes for 1-2 hours, but anyways, like मैंने अभी इतना काम कर लिया, अभी मैं बाकी काम बाद में प्लान करूँगा, बाद में एग्जीक्यूट करूँगा, नॉट नाउ, like that. And another is task monitoring. What am I doing now again? Oh, forget, right? TV. like मुझे क्या काम करना था, मैं भूल गया, छोड़ो, let's move to TV, let's watch some TV show, and that come back to it later on, like that. But you really come back after a hell lot of time passed away, and you freak out like, oh, I must have done at the time what the fuck I was doing for the whole time, like that. Emotional control, I feel bad so I don't want to do X, it can wait. like you know अभी मेरा मूड फ्रेश नहीं है, मेरा बिल्कुल भी काम करने का मन नहीं कर रहा, so let's keep it for now, I will do it later on. I have time now, but you really don't have time. But you say to yourself that I have time, I can do it later on. And then time flies away. And another one is working memory. I literally forgot what I am supposed to do. Like you forget what you must do and what you were supposed to do. And seek this arrow back where I just told you all this stuff, and on that paper write down in your language that what I told you to get some more and deep perspective. And also after that, write where is your brain failing you, where is your brain fooling you, and where it stops you from the real work that you must do. Yeah, that's for today. See ya. Let's meet in another row episode. Till then, peace out and bye.